Hello everyone, I am Mahbub Elahi from Team Brogrammers, and today our pitch presentation is all about secure and accountable know your customer process using blockchain technology. Just imagine one KYC profile for all financial service. Does it seem impossible to hear it? Yes, it is possible, and our main goal is to make it possible. Now, let's discuss the problems in the traditional KYC process. Basically, it is a lengthy process with a lot of manual intervention. Secondly, it has tedious paperwork, weak data integrity and security. And most importantly, it has lack of data protection also. Moreover, it is a cumbersome and costly as well. And lastly, in the traditional way, KYC cannot be shared between financial institutions without any risk of repetition. So, what is the solution? We think blockchain is the perfect solution to solve all these problems as well as create a secure KYC process for all financial services. So, why blockchain? Because it can provide privacy of KYC data, it has secure identification and sharing data facility. Moreover, it can reduce cost as well as make every process time efficient. Every data verification can also be achieved by using blockchain and cryptography. And most importantly, it can build trust among financial institutions to share KYC data. And lastly, it will reduce basic SQL database uses. Let's see how our solution works. In our complete system architecture, we have three main entities: trusted authority, KYC holder, and financial institution. At the very beginning, we define the attributes of KYC profile, like what it should contain, NID number, date of birth, as well as applicant's personal information. And for the biometric verification, we consider fingerprint matching. In our design, we consider two main preliminaries. First one is the Peterson commitment scheme for generating committed value, and second one is the electric curve digital signature algorithm for signing and verification. In our solution, the very first process is identity key generation. Every entity needs to onboard in our network. That's why there will be a certificate authority who will generate a public and private key pair for each of these entities corresponding to their NID number or other required documents. The second process is KYC data capture. Let's think about a scenario where a person go to a financial institution for getting some services. At that time, the financial institution will collect all the KYC related details as well as they will also collect fingerprint. After collecting all this information, they will match all the information with the identity database of Election Commission. If all the data matched, then they digitally sign the KYC profile using elliptic curve digital signature algorithm and send it to the trusted authority. Now, let's discuss about the issuing process. After getting the KYC profile, the trusted authority will again verify the information with the Election Commission database. If the information is verified, they will run Peterson commitment scheme on it and create a committed value, which they will store in the blockchain. They will also send the signed KYC profile to the KYC holder. Now, the KYC holder will store his KYC to his respective wallet. And finally, the trusted authority will send a notification to the financial institution that the verification has been completed. In our system, every trusted authority can revoke their issued KYC profile. Here, our system maintains a revocation list called RL. When it wants to revoke an issued KYC, it just makes the valid status of that KYC profile to false and includes it in the revocation list. Then the revocation list is stored in the blockchain registry so that every financial institution can see it. Now, let's discuss about the verification process. If the same people go to another financial institution to get their services, first the financial institution will check that the issued KYC profile is it in the revocation list or not. If it is not found in the revocation list, then they will calculate committed value from the respective KYC profile using Peterson commitment scheme. After that, they will compare it with the blockchain stored committed value. If both the value match, then the KYC profile will be accepted. Otherwise, the financial institution can reject this KYC process. Let's discuss about the implementation part of our project. We choose Hyperledger Fabric for our project because it has a modular and configurable architecture. Here we can see the implementation architecture containing two layers, application and fabric layer. Both are connected via gateway. Fabric layer containing three organizations, and each of the organization contain one pair, and all of them has a common channel. Here we also define the endorsement policies for both issuing and verification process. Generally, we build our system governance based on guidance on electronic know your customer, which is basically a law issued by Bangladesh government in 2020. Here we can see a governance board consisting of Bangladesh Bank, Bangladesh Financial Intelligence Unit and other financial institutions. We'll formulate all the policies that will be strictly adhered in our system. Our KYC governance generally operated into three main areas. In the business network governance, we think that customer level SLA will be perfect for our system. We also define consortium business model for our system. In the technology infrastructure governance, we choose Hyperledger Fabric for our permissioned blockchain network. We also developed a decentralized IT management structure. In the network membership governance, we also define some onboarding and offboarding rules. Generally, our project maintains Sustainable Development Goal (SDG). In our project, it maintains SDG Agenda 8-10, which urges for capacity building of domestic financial institutions to encourage and expand access to banking, insurance, and financial services for all. Here we can see the benefits of our system. For the KYC holder, it is very much time efficient and it will also improve trust and transparency. It will make private for KYC data also. And for the financial institution, it will reduce SIOL database use. It will make a secure data sharing. It will also build trust among KYC holder and government. And from the government perspective, it will make better access to KYC data. It will also make the relationship between financial sector and regulators more transparent. It will also help to prevent money laundering risks.
Thank you, Elahi. This is MD Ataur Rahman. Here we can see our business canvas model. Our key partners are financial institutions like banks, microcredit financial institutions, and government. We need support from government because we need to access their NID information and we need to support from them to establish our project. Our key activities are KYC management, KYC data verification, and secure KYC data sharing. The value proposition of our project are removing process time, hassle-free KYC verification, reducing paperwork, improving trust and transparency, and reducing unnecessary costs. We will build our customer relationship using electronics communication, real-time monitoring, and virtual meeting. In customer segment, our customers are KYC holder and financial institutions. In this project, we will use blockchain technology, so our key resources are blockchain-based system, and we will reach our customer using online and offline promotion. After 24 months, our total cost will be 69 lakh 60,000 BDT, and after 24 months the revenue will be 27 lakhs BDT. So we will cross our break-even point within 24 months. Here is some statistic about our market. According to FRED in 2017, there are 715.06 plus adult bank holder per 1000 adults in Bangladesh. According to statista.com, there are 10 crore 7 lakh 30,000 adults in Bangladesh in 2017. So the total bank account holder was 7 crore 20 lakh 28,900, and this number is increasing day by day because this is 2021. We will take only 20 taka from a person and our target is to reach 2,40,000 people, and our total revenue will be 72 lakhs PDT within 25 months. Here is the cost analysis of our project. We are still working on the variable cost. Here we are actually showing our fixed cost, that means office setup, office maintenance, employee salary, product development cost, product marketing cost, and office rent. And the total fixed cost will be 34 lakhs 8,000 after 1 year. Here we actually show our break-even point. So We already mentioned that after 24 months we will cross our break-even point. Here is the graph. Here is our competitors. In Bangladesh, there is actually no competitors, but in worldwide there are few competitors, but we are different because we are using blockchain technology, and our business model is different. Risks and challenges, acceptability and adoption. We all know that blockchain is a new technology, but we will reduce it by entry level trust building and endurance, collecting previous KYC data. This is actually the biggest challenge of our project, to collecting previous data, but we can incorporate the previous data with our system step by step. Like we can first do for the Dhaka region banks, after we move on to another city. In wrap up, we can say that our system is ensured the confidentiality of the KYC holder and provide a secure, reliable and transparent transaction process. By using this system, the transaction time and cost can be reduced. Thank you.